And like you said, subcontracting, don't look at it for the money, look at it for the experience.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Revenue right now, we about to touch 20,000 going on to the year. We're about to touch 20,000, but me touching 20,000, I did that all on my own. And I don't have nobody working or anything. And I started doing subcontracting. So nobody knows this story. When I first started my company, I started in October this month, but I didn't get my first, I didn't get into the field until February. So 5 months of not getting any work or no income or anything. I wasn't doing anything. I was just day by day trying to figure out, how can I get an appointment? How can I get a lead? How can I get my name out there? How can people find what I do, who I am, and things like that, until I like you said, closed mouth don't get fed. So I just was working, and I end up finding a video where you was like, look for subcontractors. There's companies that's out there that do subcontracting, and they'll offer you working, and you get a percentage, and you take full control of the account. So that's what I did. I just went on Google, I typed in subcontractor companies in South Florida, and I just start cold calling a couple, and then I end up landing one, and he ended up answering me. Good guy, Brad. His name is Brad. He has a company up in Miami, and he gave me an opportunity. He had a restaurant actually up in Wynwood area that just opened up, and I was the first cleaning company to ever step foot in that in that restaurant. It was a big time restaurant in Wynwood. It was like 15,000 square feet, and I will never do restaurants again. I never do restaurants again. But I had to start somewhere, and I'm glad I started in something so hard where I know, okay, now I know this is easy. Offices, daycares, medical facilities, that's what I'm doing right now. But that's more easier. But I had to learn that by starting in a restaurant. So to go back to me subcontracting, he gave me an opportunity in that restaurant, and he gave me a couple other opportunities that he had, other accounts that he had. So I gave him a call like on a Monday, and I ended up meeting him on Tuesday at the restaurant that he just finished actually doing the post-construction on. And they was just opening up their grand opening, and they had hired him to do it, and he hired me actually to do it. I told him I had workers and everything like that, but I really didn't. I was doing it myself. But I took that so I could start getting in the field and actually trying to get some income, because I wasn't working no more. I had to get some. I had a daughter. I had to get some type of income, so I had to get anything. And like you said, subcontracting, don't look at it for the money. Look at it for the experience. So I had to look at it like that, and I had to look at it like that. So I learned a lot actually, and he taught me a lot on how to clean, how to break down time, your hours, what you should do when you first get in there, and how you should attack it, and things like that. So I just used him, and I learned. And I actually did that for a couple months, and that was 7 days a week, and I was doing that by myself. So after a couple months I did with Brad and doing the restaurant with him, I still held that restaurant, but I was still trying to figure out, how can I get accounts for me? How can I get accounts for One Touch? So I ended up working a couple months in that restaurant, and then after, I knew a guy that owned another big time restaurant. If you ever heard of House of Mac, it's one of the big time restaurants up in Miami area. It's all the football players, celebrities, everybody go there to go eat. They have the best mac and cheese. It's a black owned business, and I end up doing a walkthrough with them. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know. I told them I had a business I just started. I wanted to start cleaning their company. They already had a cleaning company. They said they wasn't doing a good job, and I was already doing restaurants only 2 minutes away from that restaurant. So I was like, I might as well just do both restaurants at once. So now I got a subcontractor a contract, and I got my own contract under One Touch, and they both were 7 days a week, and they both was late night hours after 1 o'clock when they closed. So I end up getting that a couple months, and now I'm doing 9 hours a night, 9 hours by myself, doing both restaurants and the grease, doing spraying the mats, doing the bars, behind the bars, the bathroom. But fast forward, I let those accounts go because I realized restaurants is not what I wanted to do, and I figured out I had a good I had experience, and I wanted to figure out what's next, and I wanted to separate myself from restaurants. So I let go of those, and I let go of the subcontract, and I wanted to just to focus on my business and how can I just get accounts for me.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.